Realme P1. Speed full specifications. The device runs on Android version 14, providing users with an updated and efficient operating system experience. With a slim thickness of 7.6 millimeters and a lightweight design of just 185 grams, it combines portability with modern aesthetics. Additionally, it features an in-display fingerprint sensor, enhancing security and accessibility for users. Overall, it presents a good balance of performance and design for those seeking a sleek smartphone. The device features a 6.67-inch AMOLED screen that delivers impressive visuals with a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels, translating to a pixel density of approximately 395 pixels per inch. Its average brightness reaches 600 nits, with a peak brightness of up to 2000 nits, ensuring vibrant displays even in bright conditions. The screen boasts a high contrast ratio of 6 million to 1, providing deep blacks and rich colors. Additionally, it supports a smooth 120 Hz refresh rate and an instant touch sampling rate of up to 180 Hz, enhancing the user experience, particularly for gaming and scrolling. The design includes a punch-hole display, maximizing the viewing area while accommodating the front camera. The camera setup features a dual rear camera system with a 50-megapixel primary sensor and a 2-megapixel secondary sensor, offering decent photographic capabilities for everyday use. It supports full HD video recording at 1080p with a frame rate of 30 FPS, providing average video quality for casual recording. For selfies and video calls, there's a 16-megapixel front camera, ensuring sufficient detail and clarity. The primary camera is equipped with the Samsung S5 KJN1 sensor, known for its reliability and performance in various lighting conditions, making this setup suitable for general photography needs. The device is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7300E chipset, featuring a robust 2.5 GHz octa-core processor that ensures swift performance. It comes equipped with a substantial 12 GB of RAM, complemented by an additional 14 GB of virtual RAM, allowing for efficient multitasking and a seamless user experience. With a generous 256 GB of internal storage, users will have ample space for apps, media, and files. Additionally, the device supports expandable storage via a hybrid memory card slot, capable of accommodating cards up to 2 TB, further enhancing its storage capabilities. The connectivity offerings of the device include advanced options such as 4G and 5G for high-speed mobile data, along with VoLTE LTE for enhanced voice calls over LTE networks. It is equipped with Bluetooth V5.4, enabling efficient wireless communication with peripherals and accessories. Additionally, the device supports Wi-Fi connectivity for robust internet access, along with a USB-C V2.0 port for versatile wired connections and fast data transfer, making it a well-rounded choice for users seeking reliable and modern connectivity solutions. The device is equipped with a robust 5,000 mAh battery that offers average performance, ensuring extended usage throughout the day. It supports 45-watt Super VOOC charging, providing quick recharge capabilities to minimize downtime. Additionally, the reverse charging feature allows the device to act as a power bank, enabling users to charge other compatible devices conveniently on the go. Overall, this combination of battery capacity and fast charging technology enhances the user experience by providing both longevity and efficiency.